Hey Beauty Connoisseurs, today is Saturday and I just felt like doing a DIY project, and I'm cleaning my mirror with 50% alcohol. I don't like to use Windex and other chemicals, and I'm going to be using peel and stick backsplash, and I got this idea from Princess Beauty TV. So if you want to see the original idea, you can check out her video. I'll be sure to leave a link for it in my description box. And I'm going to let you know right up front that I did make some mistakes, and I will point those out to you. So right here at the top, you can see where two pieces fell off, but I ended up fixing it. So right here is where the fight began, with that little gap, that little skinny gap in there caused me all kind of problems. And so what I would always say is work your way from the bottom to the top and not going from the middle. I ended up having to take the section above the space off and work my way back up to the top, because I could not cut a piece thin enough to fit in that little tiny space. but it could have been better. But it was a learning experience, and I'm going to use the rest of it for my guest bathroom, which has a much smaller mirror. So I'm just showing you the results. And there are some flaws that I noticed, but somebody else just glancing at it or just looking at it wouldn't notice unless they were just absolutely staring. So thank you guys for watching, and let me know what you think. And also let me know, do you guys do any DIY projects at home? And if so, how did they turn out? And what exactly did you do? Please share. And I just decided to come back real quick and show you my countertop that I used contact paper to look like marble. And I got this idea from YouTuber Beauty with Ty. And there's also some imperfections with this project as well, but hey, that's the way it goes. So thanks again.